What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to move an object between 2 points. Right now I have a cube placed in the scene, so I'm going to be writing a script to move this object between 2 points. I'm going to declare two variables called left point and right point. So they basically are 2 points in the screen, one on the left of the object and one on the right side of the object. Okay, so one more thing, let's declare a variable called movement speed, and one more variable called max distance. So the idea here is that we will be dynamically calculating the distance which the left and right point will be at. So when the game starts, what we'll do is we will calculate the left and the right points. So left point, as the name suggests, will be at the left side of the object. So transform.position minus, the minus or plus doesn't matter. The point is either one of the left or the right point should use the minus or the plus sign. Okay, so the left point, according to what I'm going to do, will be at max distance units from the transform.position, from the current position of the object. Okay, so let's duplicate this line using Control D. So I'm gonna be substituting here with right point and basically changing this sign to plus. So left point will be on the left side and the right point will be on the right side. Okay. One more thing, I'm going to create another variable called current target, which will keep track of what the current target of the object is. Also, I'm going to be creating another variable called move direction to keep track of what direction I'm currently going in. So the idea here is when the move direction is 1, that means the object is moving in the left direction or the right direction. That's right. And when the move direction is -1, that means the object is moving in the left direction, or it is moving towards the left point. Okay. So since we set it to 1, that means the object will first move in the right. Okay. Okay. So in the update method, I'm gonna write a simple target setting algorithm. So when the move direction is 1, that means the current target should be set to the right point. So so on so forth. If the move direction is -1, that means the current target should be set to the left point. Alright, now that the target is set, now we can set we can write the function that sets the motion for the object. So we're going to use vector3.move towards. So the first parameter uses the current position, so which is nothing but transform.position. And the target position is current target, since we are which we are calculating. So the max distance delta is nothing but the speed that we want the object to move in, which is move speed, and we'll multiply it with time.delta time to give a smooth movement. Right? So the vector3.move towards method returns a vector3. So we will have to set this set the return value to a position. So transform.position will take this value. So now the movement is handled. So right now we need one more step to complete this procedure. So whenever a target is set and the object will move, the position will change, and the transformed position, basically the position will reach the current target. But we need a mechanism which flips the direction, right? So we have to calculate if the object has reached the target or not. So we can do it simply by calculating the distance. If the distance is close to 0, then we will flip the direction. So we need the distance, which is transform.position and the current target. So if the distance between the current target and the position of the object is less than 0.01, that means that the object has almost reached the point, so we can flip the motion, which so to flip the direction we can just multiply the move direction by -1. So what will happen is, if the move direction is 1, then the the flip direction will be -1, and if the current direction is -1, then the flip direction will be 1. So with this done, now the cube will move from one point to another point. So let's attach the script to the object and set the move speed to 15, and let the max distance also be 15. Okay, so let's see how this works. Alright, perfect. So the object started moving in the right, and it's also flipping its direction. So this kind of mechanism we can use in many situations, like patrolling enemy, or if you want to keep a moving platform or anything. This kind of logic will be helpful. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and if you want more videos like this, or if you have any doubts in this particular video, please mention in the comments. See you.